Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to prepare a yummy, tasty and spicy chicken biryani, and it's very easy to prepare and tastes like hotel biryani. Anyone can easily do this biryani if you follow these steps. Those who don't know the cooking also can try easily with this video. Even bachelors also can try this. Let's see how to prepare this biryani. Here I have taken half kg of chicken and 1 tablespoon of curd and 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Marinate well and keep it aside for 1 hour. And now here I have taken 2 glasses of water, washed and soaked well for 1 hour. This is 1 tomato, coriander and mint leaves paste and chopped onion, ginger garlic paste and onion paste and green chilies. In a pan I have taken 7 to 8 tablespoon of oil and adding biryani spices. Saute well for 1 minute, and now I am adding green chilies and chopped onions. Saute well, and now turmeric powder half teaspoon, and now I am adding ginger garlic paste, and now onion paste. Saute well for 2 minutes. Now finally I am adding tomato, coriander and mint leaves paste. Let the raw smell goes. Then add marinated chicken and saute well for 5 minutes. Now I am adding half glass of water. Now all the spices got mixed well. Now I am adding 1 glass of water and covering the lid and making it boil for 10 minutes. Now again I am closing the lid and make sure that chicken should boil 80%. Now I am adding 2 glasses of rice into it. Saute it well. Now I am adding 4 glasses of water. Here I have taken 2 glasses of rice and 4 glasses of water. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt and kasuri methi. Crush it well with hand and add into it. And now I am adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix it well and cover the lid and make it boil for 10 minutes. Now mix slowly and cover the lid. Make it boil for again 10 minutes in medium flame. And now our tasty, spicy, awesome biryani is ready for serve. You to try this awesome biryani and serve with onions, carrot, lemon. It tastes awesome. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye.